Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Most people are not poor because they don't make money. They are poor because they make repeated money mistakes. And these mistakes are so normal that many people don't even realize they are making them. A salary comes in. Within days, it disappears.
No savings, no investments, no progress, just survival. And the painful part, the cycle repeats. In this video, I'll break down 7 money mistakes that quietly keep many Nigerians financially stuck. And more importantly, how to fix them. Because if you fix your money mistakes, your financial life changes.
Mistake number 1. Lifestyle inflation. This is one of the most dangerous financial traps. You earn more and immediately spend more. Salary increases, expenses increase. Nothing changes. Let's say Chinedu earns 150,000 naira. He gets promoted. Now he earns 250,000 naira. Instead of saving the difference, he upgrades his apartment, buys a better phone, starts eating out more. 6 months later, still broke. More income, same financial condition. That is lifestyle inflation. Fix: increase savings before increasing expenses.
Mistake number 2, no emergency fund. Many Nigerians are one emergency away from financial chaos. Hospital bills, car breakdown, family emergency, rent problem. Without emergency savings, one problem can destroy years of effort. Imagine Christiana. She saved nothing. Then her mother needed urgent treatment. Everything collapsed financially, not because she was irresponsible, because she was unprepared. Fix: build emergency savings first, at least 3 to 6 months.
Mistake number 3. Saving without investing. Saving is good, but saving alone is not wealth building. Inflation eats idle money. If you keep 500,000 naira in an account for years, inflation quietly reduces its power. Saving protects. Investing grows. You need both, not one. Mistake number 4. Bad debt. Debt is not always bad, but bad debt is deadly. Borrowing for liabilities, phones, fashion, luxury. That keeps people trapped. Know the difference. Good debt builds assets. Bad debt builds pressure. Mistake number 5. No financial education. Many people spend years in school, but never learn money. No one teaches saving, investing, risk, wealth building. And ignorance is expensive. The less you know, the more mistakes you make. Mistake number 6. Waiting to make more before starting. This lie destroys progress. I'll start saving when I earn more. I'll invest when I have more money. That day often never comes. Financial habits don't start with money, they start with discipline. Mistake number 7. No long-term plan. Many people have monthly plans. Few have 5-year plans. Without long-term direction, money gets wasted. A plan gives money purpose. Without purpose, money disappears. The fix. If you want financial freedom, control spending, build savings, invest, learn, plan long-term. Wealth is not random, it is built. Which of these money mistakes have you made before? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to the Prosperity Plot, because financial freedom starts with financial truth. This is the Prosperity Plot. Plot your path to wealth.